without further ado, let's delve into the depths of the intriguing world of civil engineering, focusing our attention today on honeycomb in reinforced cement concrete, or RCC structures. First off, what is this phenomenon known as honeycomb? A honeycomb in the context of RCC structures refers to a rough and patchy concrete surface with voids and gaps that resemble, as you may have guessed, a honeycomb. This is far from a desirable trait in any structure, as it compromises the strength, durability, and overall integrity of the concrete structure. Now, one might wonder, what leads to honeycombing? There are numerous factors that contribute to this undesirable occurrence. Firstly, improper vibration during the concrete pouring process can lead to honeycombing. Vibration is crucial to ensure that the concrete mix fills all corners and gaps, pushing out any trapped air. If this process is not done correctly, it can result in voids and cavities, leading to honeycombing. Secondly, an incorrect or inconsistent mix of concrete can also cause honeycombing. If the mix is too dry or too wet, or if the aggregates are not well distributed, it can lead to a poor quality concrete that is prone to honeycombing. Thirdly, the use of large aggregates can cause honeycombing. While larger aggregates can increase the strength of the concrete, they can also create voids if not properly dispersed. Lastly, improper placement of reinforcement bars can also lead to honeycombing. The bars should be placed in such a way that the concrete mix can easily flow around them, filling all spaces and avoiding any air pockets. So how can honeycombing in RCC structures be prevented? Ensure proper vibration during the concrete pouring process. This helps to compact the concrete and eliminate any trapped air or voids. Use a consistent, well-mixed concrete. The concrete should not be too dry or too wet, and the aggregates should be well distributed. Limit the size of the aggregates. While larger aggregates can increase the strength of the concrete, they should be used judiciously to avoid creating voids. And finally, place the reinforcement bars properly. They should be placed in such a way that the concrete mix can easily flow around them, filling all spaces and avoiding any air pockets. In a nutshell, honeycombing in RCC structures is a phenomenon where voids and gaps appear on the concrete surface, resembling a honeycomb. It is caused by factors such as improper vibration, incorrect or inconsistent concrete mix, use of large aggregates, and improper placement of reinforcement bars. However, it can be prevented by ensuring proper vibration, using a consistent, well-mixed concrete, limiting the size of the aggregates, and placing the reinforcement bars properly. And there you have it. A comprehensive look at honeycombing in RCC structures, its causes and prevention methods. Remember, the strength and durability of a structure greatly depend on the quality of the concrete used. Therefore, it is essential to take the necessary steps to prevent honeycombing and ensure a strong and sturdy structure.